In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up an AI chatbot for your website using Tidio. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm here to break this down in a simple way so you can decide if Tidio is the right fit for your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Tidio works, its standout features, and a little walkthrough of how to get started and whether or not it's a good fit for you. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is Tidio? Tidio is a chatbot platform that lets you add automated chat and live capabilities to your website. If you've ever visited a site and been greeted by a friendly chat window offering help, that's essentially what Tidio provides. It combines quick answers from AI with the option to talk to a real human when needed. The service is designed to help small businesses and website owners engage visitors, answer common questions, and even capture leads. So instead of hiring a full-time support team, you can just set up an automated flow that responds to typical inquiries. When the bot can't answer something, Tidio hands the conversation off to you or a team member via a live chat interface. What makes this tool appealing is that Tidio doesn't require coding. You build conversation flows through a visual editor, and the AI component helps handle open-ended questions with natural language. It also integrates with popular e-commerce platforms and email marketing tools, so you can send coupons, capture email addresses, or recover abandoned carts. Now let's take a look at some of the main key features. So one of the main features is the drag and drop flow builder. This just allows you to create conversation pathways by connecting blocks. Each block represents a question, answer, or action. You can easily set up simple FAQs, greetings, or lead capture forms without writing any code. The platform also includes an AI-powered responder. So this component uses natural language processing to interpret open-ended questions and provide relevant answers. You can train it by adding sample questions and responses so it understands your business vocabulary. Another feature is multi-channel support. So you can publish your chatbot on your website, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or other messaging platforms. This means you can engage customers wherever they are without maintaining separate chat systems. There's also a built-in live chat interface, so when a visitor wants to talk to a human, the conversation is routed to your inbox. You and your team can jump in and pick up where the bot left off. This just ensures a smooth handoff and consistent customer experience. The tool also integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and email marketing services. This allows you to send discount codes, recover abandoned carts, or nurture leads directly from the chat window. You can also track visitors' action and trigger messages based on their behavior, such as offering help when they're stuck on a checkout page. There are unlimited custom fields and conditions that make the flow super flexible. You can create branches based on answers, time of day, or user data. This helps you deliver more personalized responses and guide visitors towards the information that they need. Some plans also include an AI agent called Lyro, which can answer questions using a knowledge base. You essentially provide articles or FAQs, and Lyro searches through them to generate a response. This is handy for more complex inquiries that don't necessarily fit into a pre-built flow. And lastly, the platform provides analytics so you can see how many conversations your bot handled, which flows converted visitors into leads, and where users drop off. This helps you refine your chatbot and improve its effectiveness over time. Now here's how you can go ahead and get started. If you don't already have a Tidio account, you can use our exclusive link and get signed up for free. So once you click that link, we'll go ahead and click start for free. Go ahead and enter an email, a password, and then you can enter in your website. Okay, make sure you have your email handy because you will have to verify your email. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and answer a few questions. You can say your name if you're the business owner, found from YouTube, say AI Academy. Okay, and then you can say what your primary business model, e-commerce, or maybe services. You can just click other if you don't see anything. Select the amount of customer conversations, how many visitors, what platform you use. And then you can go ahead and select what your main goal is, how you would like to interact, and would you be interested in getting a live demo? You can say yes or no. Okay, do you want your AI to resolve repetitive questions? Yes. And then it will go ahead and sync with your website. So here you can see we've kind of got a startup task list here. So first you need to install the chat widget on your website, take a tour around your inbox. You can invite team members, connect your mailbox, add your domain. Okay. And then if you come over here, you can see your inbox. This is where you can see if there's any unassigned conversations or open conversations and then solved conversations. These are different tickets, okay? If there's any mentions that you need to know about the Lyro AI agent. You also can look at Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Okay, this is your Lyro Agent Hub. So this is where all of your data sources are, your products are, your suggestions are, your guidance, actions, playground, and you can configure as well. So you can configure general stuff like where the conversations are. If you want to go ahead and add Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp, you could do that too. Languages, and then you can do handoffs. So choose which customers to exclude from the AI agent, okay? So if there's something specific that you don't want them to talk about, you can go ahead and transfer to a live agent. And then here are the predefined answers. So absolutely, I'm transferring you to a human right away. Currently, the team is unavailable, so I can't connect you. I'll pass along your message and our team will connect later on. So you can customize each of these as well. There's also where you can see all of your audience list and then Copilot. So this is powered by the knowledge you've added to the data sources and past agents conversation. So it will deliver instant smart answers. This is where you can create flows. So if you want to add a support flow, maybe you want to handle missed conversations, you can use a template, something like, sorry to keep you waiting, we'll be back with you as soon as possible. You can customize the message as well, and then you can go ahead and activate. Okay. Now, if you wanted to create one from scratch, you also can do that. So a trigger could be something like first visit on site. Maybe we want to send a message, so we can just drag that over. Maybe we want it to be like, hey, thanks for stopping by. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay. And then you also can turn this on. Maybe we want this to be like a 5-second delay. Ask a visitor for feedback. Amazing. Love it. Now, if we wanted to add another action, we could add a tag, we could subscribe for mailing, we could send a Zapier. There's so much that you can do in here. Also too, it's great to start things from scratch, but also it's really helpful to start with a template and then customize from there. So they've got so many in here, like post-purchase add-on, welcome new visitors, which is like exactly what we just did. We can use this template right here and we can activate. Okay, then you can see all of the analytics. You can see who has executed, the helpfulness, the conversation specifically. So there is so much in here, but they really make it easy to just go step by step. Okay, so this is how you can access the live visitor feature. So you can start communicating with visitors who are currently browsing your site. And then this is where you can look at all of an overview of the analytics. Now that you understand how it works and how to get it set up, let's talk about some pros and cons so you can determine if it's the right fit for you. The biggest platform is availability. The bot can greet visitors, answer simple questions 24/7, even while you're asleep or away from your computer. This is going to improve customer satisfaction by providing instant responses and can reduce the number of repetitive questions you have to answer. Another advantage is lead generation. So you can collect contact information during the chat, and then you can build your email list or follow up with potential customers. Also, the integration with e-commerce and email tools make it really easy to send discount codes or abandoned cart reminders directly through chat. However, of course, there are some limitations. So AI responses are always improving, but they can still misunderstand questions or provide generic answers. You'll really need to spend some time training the AI and updating responses as new questions come up. Without training, the bot might frustrate visitors by giving irrelevant answers. Another challenge is managing expectations. Some users may think they're speaking with a human when they're really chatting with a bot. It's really, really important to communicate clearly when a conversation is automated and offer a way to reach a real person. And lastly, flows and AI modules can't always work together seamlessly. On some plans, you have to choose between the flow builder or the AI responder. This means you can't always combine complex flows with open-ended AI answers in the same conversation. It really depends on your needs, but this limitation could require workarounds or a different solution. Just some things to keep in mind. Now let's talk about the different pricing and plan options. They've got a bunch of different options here. You can pay monthly or you can pay annually. I'm going to go over the annual plan because is you can get 2 months free if you do sign up with that. So you're going to get the best price possible. They've got the starter plan, which is $24.17 per month. With this plan, you get 50 Lyro AI agent conversations, 100 flows visitors reached, live chat and ticketing, live visitor list, operating hours, basic analytics, and live chat channels. Then they've got the growth plan, which is $49.17 per month. With this, you get everything in the starter, but you get advanced analytics, automatic chat assignment, automatic reply, and more. And then they've got the plus plan, which is $749 per month. And again, this is billed annually with that 2 months free. You get everything in the growth plan, but you get departments, multi-project, custom branding, dedicated success manager, and more. So the plus is definitely for bigger teams. Then we've got the premium plan, which you do have to contact sales, but you get everything in the plus. And then you get things like custom analytics, advanced copilot, guaranteed 50% Lyro AI resolution rate, and things like Lyro AI as a managed service, Slack support, compliance, and more. So choose the plan that's going to be best for you, but you can go ahead and start a 7-day free trial with the starter or growth plan. Now, is Tidio for you? It's a great option if you want enhanced customer support and lead generation without writing code. It's ideal for small businesses, bloggers, or anyone building their first website who want to engage visitors and answer questions automatically. The visual builder and template make it accessible, and the ability to hand off chats to humans ensures that complex issues still get attention. However, if your business requires highly customed interactions or you need deep analytics, this platform may not be enough on its own. You might need to pair it with more advanced support system or analytics tools. So again, just something to keep in mind. As a personal note, I know how building your first website can be super overwhelming, and it's really tough to be around 24/7 for your visitors. But setting up an AI chatbot is a very simple way to greet people, answer common questions, and collect leads without working around the clock. If you want to go ahead and check out Tidio for yourself, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best AI tools to make your life easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.